Hi, and welcome to the demonstration of the C5DK Multilingual Content package. This package is not a replacement for the built-in multilingual system in Concrete5. The C5DK Multilingual package is more an easy-to-use package to convert single lingual content to multilingual content on page-by-page basis. I will try to explain everything from installation to actually using the package. This package is composer ready, but we will explain that approach in another screencast. So now, let's install the package into our Concrete5 site. We have to go to the Extend Concrete5 menu in the dashboard. Here you see the C5DK Multilingual Content package already awaiting installation. Simply click the Install button up here, and the package is installed. The first thing you will see is the successfully installed dialog box. And you are also encouraged to set up the package before using the blocks on your pages. The settings page is always available by clicking the C5DK Multilingual Content link in the dashboard. As you see here, we have divided the settings into two groups. Namely, choose sort order and choose active languages. In this demonstration we will use English, Danish and German flags on our pages. So let's choose these flags. Remember, you can always add more flags if necessary. We are now ready to sort the flags in the order we want them on our pages. So let's do just that. You simply drag and drop the flags the way you want. Remember, you can always come back in here and change things at a later time. So this is not final settings, you can always change them. And remember that the topmost flag is also the default language for users visiting your site. You have to remember to save your settings by clicking the Save button. If you don't, you will have to start over. We have now chosen our languages and sorted them the way we want, and we are ready to use the blocks in the package. So let's go to our site and begin using the blocks. Let's begin with inserting the C5DK Multilingual Content block. Simply click the plus sign in the editor's toolbar, and drag the block to the page. You will find our blocks down in the bottom of the list. The first thing you will see is the block dialog box, where you can write your content in the languages chosen. Let's start with the English language. Choose the flag from the drop-down list, and start typing. In this demonstration we are using some lorem ipsum text just to demonstrate the block. But all headlines will be in the language accordingly. Now, let's fill out the Danish content. We do exactly the same as in English content, but now in Danish. And last, the German content. We are now finished filling out the content. And as you see, it is simple to edit the different language sections. Let's just take a short look at the Options tab, before saving the block. All the options will be explained in a moment. So let's click the Add button. We have now added one instance of our block. Let's see how it works by publishing the page. Here you see the block added to the page, and you are able to switch between languages by clicking the flags. This is the simple way using this block. Let's try to add some more blocks. In this demonstration we are simply copying the first block through the clipboard to have more blocks to work with, so let's do just that. Let's publish the page to see how it looks. As you see here, we now have 3 instances of the block on our page. And we can switch language by clicking whatever flag we want on the page. But, as you see, we have a flag group on top of each content block. That is not very convenient. And we have a way to fix just that. So, let's go back into edit mode. And here add the C5DK Multilingual Navigation block. We are just adding it here in the top of our page. As you see, there is not a lot of settings for this block. Only how it is aligned on the page. So we just add it. It is now added, but to see how it works, we need to publish the page. All the flag groups above the content blocks has now disappeared. And we only see one single flag group in the top of our page. This is the magic. When adding the nav block, it removes the flags from all instances of the content block. But you of course have the option to overwrite this at the content block level. Let me show you. When we edit a content block, you can force the flags for this content block, where you like the flags to appear. Simply by select the option here. And click Save. Now the flags are back on this instance of the content block. But you can of course still switch content with the nav block. But let's remove it again. Let's look at the style options in this block. We have built in some standard styling to make it easy and flexible to design your page. First let's try the modal styling. The modal styling will lift up your content in a modal framed box. Very useful, isn't it? The other standard styling we have added is the well styling. This styling will sink your content down in a well-framed box. Also very convenient, isn't it? These styles are very anonymous, and thus usable on most sites. But we have also added the option for you to add your own styling. In this situation you need to know a little about CSS. If not, do not use the custom style option. We have for this demonstration already prepared some CSS classes to demonstrate this option. And as you will see, this option will add almost any theme-specific styling to the block. This is very flexible, and you will probably never need to design block templates for this package. Let's end this session by publishing the page. Here you see all the potentials of this package. The C5DK Multilingual package is of course composer ready, but we have prepared another screencast to demonstrate that. So for now, I will simply say, thank you for watching. And hopefully see you next time. Bye bye.